What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. Hey, it's feeding time at the Panda Zoo, and the panda's hungry. So the panda just bought this. It's strawberry Soylent. I've never had this before. They advertised it, and I didn't realize what, between the chai, the cacao, chocolate, regular or original, and coffeeist. I didn't realize they had added a flavor, and I'm really excited about it because, the flavors make these things drinkable. If you've ever had chemical-based meal replacement before, you know that they aren't necessarily always the most tasty thing in the world. So I do have a glass here that we will give this thing a shot in, and I'm just going to shake it in case it needs to be. But I'm really excited about the strawberry. Hopefully it's delicious because even the chai, it's okay, but I'm not a huge fan of it. And the coffee is, it's okay. The chocolate is by far my favorite right now, but let's see if the strawberry can give it a run for its money. So what we have here is kind of looks like an ivory colored. I can smell it already. Definitely has a strawberry smell to it. Let's see what it looks like when I pour it out. So it's kind of a off-white, milky color to it, like almost a soy milk color. I can definitely smell it though. Yeah, it definitely has a strong strawberry taste. I'll tell you what, that's actually pretty pleasant. So in terms of drinking Soylent, if you've tried it before and not enjoyed it, I would say give this one a shot. It does have a little bit of that I don't know, milky, chalky taste, but only a hint of it, right? If you drink the original stuff, it definitely has kind of this pancake batter type of taste. This doesn't get rid of the hint of that, but it does have a pretty powerful strawberry flavor kind of as its main note. Even as it goes down, the taste lingers as opposed to kind of having it switch off from strawberry to pancake batter. The pancake batter isn't bad. It's just a lot of people, sometimes people like it, some people don't. Some people are just totally neutral to it. I'm pretty neutral to it as in most cases, but the strawberry, that's pretty good. I will say this leapt into either first or second place on my Soylent list. I will say, generally I only buy the chocolate Soylent now, but I will probably buy chocolate and strawberry. So hopefully this is a flavor that's going to last in their inventory a while. I don't know if it's something that they're experimenting with. I know on the website they offered a 4-pack of this, which is really, really rare to get a 4-pack. Most of the time you have to buy them in dozens. But I will absolutely buy this one in a 12-pack now because I'll drink it for sure. If you want to check out Soylent, you can get them on Amazon with Prime Delivery. I will put a link to it in the description below so that you can find the flavor that you like and get them shipped to you and start replacing your meals with easy to drink, delicious, 400 calorie meals in a bottle. They are convenient, easy to take with you, and will keep you going when you need that energy. Peter von Panda, out.